One of the fundamental necessities for our survival is to communicate, be it in the form of conversations, gestures, or mails in the real world, or various other processes in the virtual world. We are constantly communicating with each other. While doing so, we are expressing our mind through language. Interestingly, there is hardly anything comparable to language that is found in the animal world. Thus, we might be feeling very special, thinking that humans are unique in possessing a mind and a language. However, there is a fundamental question that interrupts us here. Is it that animals do not have a mind, thus they do not have a language, or simply, since we do not understand their communication system, we think that they don't have a language and thus they don't have a mind? Let's take a moment here and try to think outside the box. If we break language into its fundamental biological components and try to find those similar processes in other animals, we might be in a position to understand how language took its form as it is today in humans. Among primates, research in apes show that their communication system has language-like abilities in rudimentary forms. I am Shreejata Gupta from the National Institute of Advanced Studies in Bangalore, India, and my doctoral research focuses on communication behavior of monkeys, a rather neglected species in the present context. Monkeys have calls and gestures with which they communicate with one another, like many other primates. I am trying to understand whether their calls and gestures are completely fixed, that is, they are born with the entire system, or they are also flexible, that is, they acquire certain abilities during an individual's lifetime. After this research, I'll be able to compare the communication system of macaques or monkeys to those of apes and humans. My research will thus make a fundamental contribution to the understanding of evolution of language by providing information about language-like abilities in primates beyond apes and thus pave the path forward. Thank you.